Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Forerunner 265 and I'm gonna show you how to enable the phone notifications for this watch on the iPhone. Before we start, if you want to receive the notifications from your iPhone on your watch needs to be paired with your iPhone via the Garmin Connect application. And once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we need to make sure that the required permissions are allowed for the Garmin Connect application and your iPhone to send the notifications to your watch. And to do that, first let's open the settings on our iPhone by tapping on the settings icon. In settings, find the Bluetooth option and tap on it. And here on the list of my devices, you should see your Forerunner 265. Tap on the info icon next to it. And right here, you should see the option called Share System Notifications. This option needs to be enabled for the notifications to work. It's possible you're missing this option, and if you are, close the settings, open the Garmin Connect application, tap on More, Garmin Devices, select your Forerunner 265, tap on Notifications and Alerts, Smart Notifications, turn off the notifications for now, go back to the main page, sync the devices together, wait until it's done turning around, then go back to notifications, turn them on, like that, and go back to the settings page and sync the devices together again. And once you sync them again, you should see some pop-ups about the notification permissions. And once you see them, allow all of the required permissions. And once you're done, you can close the app, go back to settings, tap on Bluetooth, info icon next to Garmin Forerunner. And here you should see this option now and make sure it is enabled. Then go back to main page of settings, scroll down, tap on apps, scroll down, find the Connect application. It's gonna be on C, I believe. Yes, it is. Tap on it. And here make sure that the Bluetooth option is enabled. And once it is, close the settings. Open the Garmin Connect again. Tap on More, Garmin Devices. Select your Forerunner 265. Now, find the option called Notifications and Alerts and tap on it, of course. Tap on Smart Notifications. And here we have two states of the watch. We have during activity and general use. During activity is when you're recording activity on your watch, like running, cycling, and stuff like that. And general use is when you're using your watch normally without recording activity. First, let's tap on during activity. And here we can turn on or off the notifications during that state of the watch. We can also customize it for types of notifications. We have calls, texts, and apps. And if you tap on calls, you can turn on or off the notifications as the whole thing for the calls. You can enable and disable the tone and vibration. And you can do the same for the texts and apps. Okay. And once you're done with the during activity, tap on general use. And here again, we can turn them on or off. We can customize it for the types of notifications. And then we have the privacy option. This option allows you to select press start or gesture. And basically how it works is if you press, or rather select press start, when you receive the notifications on your watch, that the content of the notification will be hidden. And you will need to press the start button to display it or perform the gesture if you select the gesture option. There is gesture. I believe you just need to do this. Okay. Next we have the timeout option, and basically here you can set how long the notification stays on the screen after you receive it. And we have 30 seconds, 1 minute, and 3 minutes. Okay, and once you're done setting up your notification settings, we can go back to the settings page, sync the devices together again to apply the changes. And now we should be able to receive the notifications on our watch. So I'm gonna send myself a message on Discord, but first let me check if I'm logged in. I am not, so give me a couple of seconds. I'm gonna log in into my Discord account here. Okay, Now I am logged in into Discord, so we should be able to receive the notifications from it. So I'm gonna send myself a message. As you can see, we got the notification on our iPhone and also on our watch, which means it is working, and that's how you enable the phone notifications for this watch on the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.